নমস্কাৰ আৰু স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ আপোনালোক সকলোকে আসাম জিকে ষ্টাডিৰ অন্য এটা ভিডিঅ'লৈ যেহেতু আপোনালোকক মই কৈছিলোঁ যে প্ৰতি সপ্তাহৰে কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছৰ ভিডিঅ' মই আপোনালোকৰ বাবে আগবঢ়াম গতিকে আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত মই আপোনালোকৰ বাবে লৈ আহিছোঁ 27 জুনৰ পৰা 3 জুলাইলৈকে হোৱা ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছখিনি গতিকে বলক আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো আমি আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ এতিয়া আহিছোঁ আমি আজিৰ প্ৰশ্ন শিতানৰ প্ৰথমটো প্ৰশ্নলৈ Which state has been named as the best smart state in the India Smart Cities Awards? And the options are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. আৰু এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে অপশ্যন এ উত্তৰ প্ৰদেশ Uttar Pradesh has been named as the best smart state in the India Smart Cities Awards. Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu secured the second and third rank. The ranking has been prepared by Smart Cities Mission Project. Now question number 2. Which state UT government has launched Mukhyamantri COVID-19 Parivar Arthik Sahayata Yojana? And the options are Delhi, Chandigarh, Haryana and Punjab. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে অপশ্যন এ দিল্লী Delhi government has launched Mukhyamantri COVID-19 Parivar Arthik Sahayata Yojana for those who have lost a family member due to COVID-19. The government will provide an ex gratia of 50,000 to the members of the individual who died. এতিয়া আহিছোঁ আজিৰ প্ৰশ্ন শিতানৰ 3 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটোলৈ Which of the following has become the first rabies free state in India? And the options are Punjab, Kerala, Gujarat and Goa. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে অপশ্যন ডি গোৱা Goa has become the first state in India to become rabies free. Not a single case of rabies has been reported in the state for the last 3 years. Mission Rabies, launched by Government of India, played a crucial role in making Goa rabies free. এতিয়া আহিছোঁ question number 4 লৈ World's first GM rubber has been planted in Dash. Options are Kerala, Sikkim, Assam and Bihar. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে অপশ্যন চি আসাম World's first genetically modified rubber has been planted in Assam. It has been developed by Rubber Research Institute of India. The GM rubber crop has been planted in Rubber Board's Sarutari Research Farm in the outskirts of Guwahati, Assam. Question number 5. As per the Mercer Cost of Living Survey, which is the world's most expensive city for foreign workers? And the options are Mumbai, Sharjah, Gurgaon and Ashgabat. And its correct answer is option D, Ashgabat. As per the Mercer Cost of Living Survey, Ashgabat is the world's most expensive city for foreign workers. Mumbai has been named as India's most expensive city for the migrant workers. Now question number 6. Which of the following named as the strongest hotel brand in the world? And the options are Oberoi, Taj, Trident and Synergy. And its correct answer is option B, Taj. Taj has been named as the strongest hotel brand in the world by Brand Finance. The report has been titled as Hotels 50 2021 Report. Hotel Taj secured a score of 89.3 out of 100. Question number 7. India has been ranked dash among 46 countries in the Reuters Institute Digital News Report 2021 on the level of trust in news. And the options are 29, 30, 31 and 32. And the correct answer is option C, 31. India has been ranked 31 among 46 countries in the Reuters Institute Digital News Report 2021 on the level of trust in news. Finland topped the list with an overall trust of 65%, whereas USA secured the last rank with 29% trust on the news. Question number 8. Who has become the first woman fighter pilot of IAF from Jammu and Kashmir? And the options are Kalpana Sharma, Mauya Sudan, Benjir Bhutto and Sara Akram. And the correct answer is option B, Mauya Sudan. Mauya Sudan has become the first woman fighter pilot of Indian Air Force from Jammu and Kashmir. She is 24 years old. Now question number 9. Which state government has signed an Memorandum of Understanding with Survey of India for Rural Property Survey? And the options are Mizoram, Assam, Sikkim and Nagaland. And its correct answer is option B, Assam. Government of Assam has signed an Memorandum of Understanding with Survey of India for surveying rural property. The government aims to provide an integrated validation solution for rural areas. Now question number 10. Which country has become the second largest export partner of India? And its options are UAE, USA, China and Japan. And among them, the correct answer is option C, China. China has become the second largest export partner of India. USA is currently the biggest export partner of India. UAE is the third biggest export partner of India. Now question number 11. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Indian Federation of United Nations Associations? And its options are B.K. Agarwal, B.D. Jaiswal, V.V. Singh and S.N. Srivastava. And the correct answer is option D, S.N. Srivastava. Retired Justice Shambhunath Srivastava has been appointed as the chairman of Indian Federation of United Nations Associations. He is the former judge of Allahabad High Court. He is also a former chief Lokayukta of Chhattisgarh. Question number 12. Who launched the website for Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan? And its options are Narendra Modi, Ramnath Kovind, Thawar Chand Gehlot and Smriti Zubin Irani. And the correct answer is option C, Thawar Chand Gehlot. Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment Thawar Chand Gehlot has launched the website for Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan. It was launched on the occasion of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking on 26 June. Now question number 13. Who has become the first ever transgender athlete to qualify for the Olympics? Chris Mosier, Veronique Ivy, Laurel Hubbard, Andrea Yearwood. And the correct answer is option C, Laurel Hubbard. Laurel Hubbard of New Zealand has become the first ever transgender athlete to qualify for Olympics. Hubbard will compete in women's 87 kg weightlifting category. Question number 14. Who has been appointed as the Deputy Election Commissioner of India? And the options are Sanjay Mishra, Brajesh Pandey, Pradeep Jain and Umesh Sinha. And the correct answer is option D, Umesh Sinha. Umesh Sinha has been appointed as the Deputy Election Commissioner of India. It will be his second tenure as Deputy Election Commissioner of India. He has also served as the Chief Election Commissioner of Uttar Pradesh. আজিৰ প্ৰশ্ন শিতানৰ শেষৰটো প্ৰশ্ন হৈছে As per the directives of Supreme Court, One Nation, One Ration Card scheme will be implemented by states and union territories by -2021 and the options are 31st July, 31st August, 31st September and 31st October. And its correct answer is option A, 31st July. As per the directives of Supreme Court, One Nation, One Ration Card scheme will be implemented by the states and union territories by 31st July 2021. This will ensure food security, cash transfer and other welfare measures for the migrant workers under COVID-19. গতিকে বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো বাছ ইমানেই। আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি 27 জুনৰ পৰা 3 জুলাইলৈকে সংঘটিত হোৱা অসমৰ লগতে দেশ বিদেশৰ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছখিনি আলোচনা কৰিলোঁ। আশা কৰিছোঁ আপোনালোকে আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোৰ পৰা অলপ হ'লেও উপকৃত হৈছে। যদিহে হৈছে ভিডিঅ'টোত লাইক কৰিব আৰু বন্ধু বান্ধৱীৰ লগত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব যাতে তেওঁলোকৰো এক্সাম প্ৰিপেৰেশ্যনৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত অলপ হ'লেও হেল্পফুল হয়। আৰু মই এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছৰ ভিডিঅ' প্ৰতি সপ্তাহতে লৈ আহোঁ, লগতে বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ নলেজেবল ভিডিঅ' যিবিলাক আপোনালোকৰ পৰীক্ষাবিলাকৰ কাৰণে সহায় হয় তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ভিডিঅ' লৈ আহোঁ। গতিকে সেইসমূহ ভিডিঅ'ৰ নটিফিকেশ্যন সোনকালে পাবলৈ বাবে আপোনালোকে মোৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি কাষতে থকা বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰি থ'ব। আজিলৈ আহিছোঁ পুনৰ এটা নতুন নলেজেবল ভিডিঅ'লৈ আপোনালোকৰ ওচৰলৈ পুনৰ আহিম।